Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Summer is just around the corner, and you know what that means? It's time for a wardrobe refresh. I've scoured the internet and consulted the fashion oracles to bring you the 36 absolute best summer tops for 2025. We're talking everything from breezy beach day essentials to statement pieces that will make you the envy of every rooftop party. So grab your iced latte, get comfy, and get ready to discover your new favorite summer top. First up, we have the Rails Martine top. This top just screams cottagecore. Imagine yourself frolicking through a field of wildflowers, or, just grabbing coffee in this dreamy top. The ruffled edges add a touch of whimsy, while the floral pattern just screams summer. Pair it with denim shorts, a flowy skirt, or even some tailored trousers. Next up is a piece that just oozes effortless chic. The English Factory linen waistcoat top. Linen is basically synonymous with summer. It's breathable, lightweight, and has that relaxed vacation vibe. This waistcoat top takes it to the next level with its adjustable straps and those super practical and stylish front pockets. Dress it up with heels and statement jewelry for a night out, or keep it casual with sandals and a straw bag. Let's be real, a good tank top is a summer wardrobe staple. But the Soesdemo tank top is not your average tank. This sleeveless beauty features a unique keyhole detail that adds a touch of intrigue without being too over the top. Plus, it comes in a variety of patterns and shades, so you can find the perfect one to match your personal style. Chapter 4, Leset, the Margo, the perfect white tee. Yes, really. I know, a white tee might seem a little basic for this list, but trust me on this one, the Leset. The Margo is not just any white tee. It's made from the highest quality cotton, so it's incredibly soft and comfortable against your skin. And the cut? Let's just say the slightly boxy silhouette is super flattering, and it's just the right amount of oversized without looking frumpy. Chapter 5, Nia Dominic, top your new Insta-worthy essential. Get ready to turn heads in the Nia Dominic top. This off-shoulder beauty is made for those days or nights when you want to feel like a total goddess. The white floral lace is delicate and feminine, while the off-shoulder design shows just the right amount of skin. Dress it up with heels and a skirt for a romantic date night, or keep it casual with denim shorts and sandals. Chapter 6, ASTR, the label Juno top. Business chic, summer edition. Who says you can't have a little fun with your workwear? The ASTR, the label Juno top, is proof that you can be professional and stylish at the same time. It's appropriate for those Zoom meetings and presentations, but it also has a fun, flirty vibe thanks to the ruffle details and the flattering silhouette. Chapter 7. Sometimes you just want a top that's easy to throw on and go, The Seven Wonders Women's Santino scarf is exactly that. It's lightweight, it's flowy, and the botanical print just screams summer. Plus, it can be worn as a top or a scarf, so you're basically getting two outfits in one. Chapter 8, Calling All My Romantic Babes. The Plush Strapless Sweetheart Ribbed Knit Crop Top is the perfect top for a date night or any occasion where you want to feel extra flirty. The Strapless Sweetheart neckline is super flattering, while the ribbed knit material hugs your curves in all the right places. Chapter 9. Here's another stunning option for all my cottagecore cuties. The Drop Annie Sweetheart Puff Sleeve Smocked Back Top is the stuff of fairy tales. The sweetheart neckline, the puff sleeves, the smocked back detailing, it's all so romantic and whimsical. And the best part, it comes in a wide range of sizes, so you're sure to find the perfect fit. Want to add a pop of color to your summer wardrobe? The SweatyRocks Ribbed Knit Color Blocked Tank Top is the perfect way to do just that. The color blocking trend is huge right now, and this tank top puts a playful spin on it. Plus, the ribbed knit material is super flattering and comfortable. Dress it up with a blazer and heels, or keep it casual with denim shorts and sneakers. Get ready to charm your way through summer in the Safrisior one-shoulder asymmetrical button tank top. This top is all about the details, from the buttery soft material to the charming button detailing and the unique one-shoulder design. Want to add a touch of Sofia Richie-esque chic to your summer wardrobe? Look no further than the Sujuex one-shoulder cami crop tank with rosettes. This top is the epitome of effortless cool. The one-shoulder design is super flattering, the cami style is perfect for hot summer days, and the rosette details add a touch of femininity. Pair it with high-waisted jeans, a mini skirt, or even some tailored trousers for a look that's both chic and effortless. Talk about a versatile piece. The Norma Kamali drop shoulder top can be dressed up or down for any occasion. The metallic fabric adds a touch of glamour, while the drop shoulder design gives it a relaxed, effortless vibe. Sometimes you just want a top that feels as good as it looks. The Rioria short sleeve high neck double-lined crop top is exactly that. The material is incredibly soft and buttery against your skin, and the double lining ensures that it's not see-through. The high neckline adds a touch of sophistication, while the cropped length keeps it fun and flirty. You can't go wrong with a classic white tee, and the Hanes Perfect Tee short sleeve t-shirt is a true classic. It's affordable, it's comfortable, and it goes with literally everything. Channel your inner 90s fashion icon by pairing it with some high-waisted denim shorts, chunky sneakers, and a scrunchie. Love a little customization? Then you need the Leset Strapless side zipper tube top in your life. This tube top features side zippers that you can adjust to create different looks. The V for City One Shoulder ruched drawstring. Cami is the perfect top for a night out on the town. The one-shoulder design is super flattering. The ruched detailing adds some visual interest, and the drawstring allows you to adjust the fit to your liking. The Pumi Smoke Cloud square-necked cap-sleeve bodysuit is proof that you don't need a lot of bells and whistles to make a statement. This simple yet stylish bodysuit features an elegant square neckline and flattering cap sleeves. Whether you're navigating the subway or lounging by the pool, the Breezy Lane button-down shirt cover-up has got you covered. This oversized button-up shirt can be worn as a light layer over your outfit or as a chic beach cover-up. The Verdusa satin halter top is one of those pieces that you'll reach for again and again all summer long. The satin fabric is luxurious and flowy, while the halter neckline adds a touch of elegance. Dress it up with a skirt and heels for a night out, or keep it casual with jeans and sandals for a daytime look. Add a touch of romance to your summer wardrobe with the Doha long-sleeve ruffle lace top. The lace fabric is delicate and feminine, while the ruffle details add a touch of whimsy. Chapter 22. The Laoyan asymmetrical slit-knit bandeau tube top is not for the faint of heart. This statement-making top features a flattering bandeau neckline, a daring asymmetrical slit, and a stretchy knit fabric that hugs your curves in all the right places. Chapter 23. Festival season is calling, and the Mirak Moda off-shoulder ruched back tie crop top is the perfect top to help you stand out from the crowd. The off-shoulder design is super flattering. The ruched detailing adds some visual interest, and the back tie allows you to adjust the fit to your liking. The Drop Sydney short sleeve cropped crew neck t-shirt is the epitome of effortless cool. It's simple, it's stylish, and it goes with literally everything. Pair it with your favorite denim shorts, some white jeans, or even a flowy skirt for a look that's both comfortable and chic. The Success women's off-shoulder sleeveless top is proof that basic doesn't have to be boring. This asymmetrical top is a step up from your average tank top, thanks to the flattering off-shoulder design and the chic silhouette. The Dokatu color-blocked button-down shirt is a fresh take on a classic style. The color blocking adds a touch of personality, while the button-down design keeps it classic and timeless. And there you have it, my loves. Those are my top picks for the 36 cutest summer tops of 2025. I hope you found some new favorites to add to your wardrobe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below which top was your favorite. And of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips, trends, and all-around fashion.